How to add or remove the Compatibility tab on the Properties page in Windows. Do you need to access the Compatibility tab on your Files Properties page but can't find it? Or do you want to remove it to limit changes? In this video, we'll show you how to add or remove the Compatibility tab on the Properties page in Windows. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Adding or removing the Compatibility tab on the Properties page in Windows. The Compatibility tab lets you run older programs on modern versions of Windows. It's useful for managing display settings, admin privileges, and application behavior. However, system policies can hide or restrict it, especially in managed environments. Here are two ways to add or remove the tab on Windows 10 and 11. Using the Group Policy Editor. This method is only available on Windows Pro, Enterprise, and Education. You will also need to have administrator privileges. To use this method, follow these steps. Open the local Group Policy Editor. Then go to User Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, Application Compatibility. Double-click Remove Program Compatibility Property page. To add the tab, select Disabled or Not Configured. To remove the tab, select Enabled. Click OK, then close the local Group Policy Editor. Using the Registry Editor. You can use the Registry Editor to add or remove the Compatibility tab. Since this method involves modifying registry settings in your Windows registry, it's best to back up your registry before any modifications. First, press Windows plus R to open the Run dialog, then type regedit and press Enter. Paste this directory into the address bar. In the right pane, double-click Disable Prop Page to modify it. To configure the setting, to add the Compatibility tab, type 0 or leave the value field blank. To remove the Compatibility tab, type 1. Click OK and close the Registry Editor. Restart your system to apply the changes. For more information, including advanced options and troubleshooting options, check out our official blog post on how to add or remove the Compatibility tab on the Properties page in Windows, linked in the description below.